This week I will show you how to design an L-shaped kitchen in glossy white with an island and the one wall having full of tall cabinets. Hi, my name is Konstantinos. I will show you how you can recreate this kitchen plan with KitchenWiz in just a few minutes. Our room is bigger than 6 meters, so we are going with big scale. Gonna click once, type the dimension of the first wall, which is 966, and then click enter. The next wall is 621. Gonna click enter and close the shape of the room. Next, we're gonna add the windows and doors of the room. We have one window that is 250 centimeters and 55 centimeters in height, and finally 105 centimeters from the floor. And it's 179 centimeters away from the wall here. Then we have two balcony doors on this wall. So I'm gonna click create doors, click the balcony doors option, add 465 centimeters for width and 250 for the height, and place the one balcony door here. The second balcony door has the same dimensions, 465, 250, and I'm gonna place it right next to the previous one. Click save. I'm gonna make this into an open wall. So I'm gonna click create doors, click open wall, and next add the dimension, which is 621 and 270, which is the height of the room. I'm gonna add the open wall here. And finally we have one more window that is 200 centimeters, 160 centimeters in height, and 50 centimeters from the floor. And this window is 315 centimeters away from the wall. We can now move to the next step. We don't have any fixed columns in the room. We are gonna go with custom heights for our cabinets. The wall cabinets are 53 centimeters. The space between is 73 centimeters and the base cabinets are 89 centimeters. I'm gonna click next and start drawing the kitchen shape. I'm gonna start with the tall cabinets and then add base cabinets here. I'm gonna leave around 1 meter from the balcony door. The tall cabinets, I actually want to leave some more space here. And finally add the wall cabinets on this wall above the window. Next, I'm gonna add one island that is 90 centimeters in depth and 330 centimeters in length. Gonna rotate the island and place it here. Next, I'm gonna add the sink with two bowls right under the window, a dishwasher right next to it, a double vertical oven on the tall cabinets, a hob on the island, a hood right above it, and the fridge on the tall cabinets. So now, by adding the fridge here, we have the red triangle, which indicates that the main appliances in the room are too far away from each other. So what I want to do is go back to the hob and move it a bit closer to the fridge, to the tall cabinets. Gonna add back the hood, and let's try this again. So when I move to the left the fridge, now the triangle is green and everything is in the correct distance. Then, so if I place the fridge here, the space between the fridge and the ovens are 50 centimeters, but because this cabinet will be 45 and we want things to be symmetrical, I'm gonna move this 5 centimeters to the right, click save. I'm gonna skip the washing machine. And now our front views are generated and we can check them out with the minimap here. The tall cabinets look okay, and so what we want to do now is split and merge the cabinets here on this wall and then make this into a glossy white for all cabinets. So first I want to split this cabinet in half. so that I can merge these two and create a 90 centimeters cabinet, and do the same with this one to create a 60 centimeters cabinet. I'm gonna change this to drawers and leave it with this type of drawers, and then all is left to do is split and merge the wall cabinets. I'm gonna merge these two, also these two, and these two together, and these two. Finally, I'm gonna change the handles on the cabinets to have one handle per cabinet. And this is it. Finally, I'm going to click on one cabinet, any cabinet, it doesn't matter. I will scroll down from the sidebar, make sure that the glossy surface is selected, and click the white color, and then apply it to all. And now our kitchen is in glossy white. What I forgot to do is merge and split the cabinets on the island. So I'm gonna click yes below the show island section. I will start by splitting this cabinet so that I can merge these two and these two. So I created a 90 centimeters cabinet, and let's see how this looks on the 3D. I think it looks okay, so let's go on the other side by clicking the minimap. I'm gonna make the same change, split this cabinet, merge these two. I can change these to drawers into this type, and for these cabinets I can split these two and merge these two. So actually I'm gonna make the same for the opposite side. I'm gonna split this cabinet and merge these two together. Now the cabinets look better on both sides. And this is it, guys. If you want to take a screenshot, you can click here. If you want to save a PDF in 2D with all measurements included for all walls, then you click this button here. And if you want to connect with cabinet makers in your city, then click the get a quote button here. This will open up this page, which the only thing you have to do is select your plan. In our case is NDD5, add your name, add your city, and make sure to select a city from the drop down, add your message, and then send your quote to local cabinet makers in your city. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then click the like button below and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.